Thanks for making the time to take the What's Your Number One Kitchen Remodeling Blocker quiz. Your quiz results report is being created as we speak and should be hitting your email inbox in about 30 minutes from now. In the meantime, let's talk about your results. Hi, I'm Diane Plessett, award-winning designer and author, homeowner advocate, and creator of this assessment. Based on the information you've shared and the little I know about you and your situation, your number one kitchen remodeling blocker is what's known as the ND, do-it-yourself necessity. What that means is the majority of your income pays monthly expenses, with little left over for savings and large expenditures. And while we all have to take care of our basic living expenses, your kitchen remodeling blocker mindset can cause you to make decisions that you'll regret. This remodeling blocker is hard to deal with. You need and want to remodel your kitchen, but making expensive mistakes will leave you wondering later why you wasted your time and hard-earned income. The one big mistake this remodeling blocker can cause you to make is judgment errors about every aspect of your DIY remodeling project. Colleagues, friends, or family members may offer advice. They may offer help working on your kitchen remodeling. This makes you feel frustrated, overwhelmed, and resentful. These negative feelings impact everything you do. They impact your relationship with everyone you know. And here's the thing, the impact of mistakes gets greater over time. Not only do you miss evenings and weekends for months, but dealing with problems will take a toll on your physical and mental health. Things are not turning out the way you envisioned, and you regret making the decision to remodel your kitchen. The gathering of family and friends hasn't happened. You've missed opportunities to host holiday get-togethers. Every time anyone asks you how things are going, your gut feels like a volcano ready to erupt. You also risk not having enough money to retire or put your kids through school or take care of aging parents. In fact, there are many beliefs that most DIYers have that lead to expensive and time-consuming mistakes. Even though there is often one dominant belief, it is important to understand and be proactive about all your decisions relating to your kitchen remodel. Now, you might be wondering, how do you learn to avoid mistakes that others make? Mistakes related to not knowing about kitchen remodeling. How can you learn to create a plan and follow it so you will make good decisions? Thankfully, there are some practical and achievable steps you can take to overcome and get past the remodeling blocker that's holding you back. Well, this is what I do all day, every day, for the past 37 years. I help people of all ages and stages of life to bust through their kitchen remodeling blockers. And I just so happen to have step-by-step instructions on this very topic. And because you've made the time to take this assessment and tell me a little bit about you and your situation, I'd love to give you access to a special discount offer to get specially selected chapters of my award-winning book, The Survival Guide Home Remodeling. In The Survival Guide Kitchen Remodeling, you will get a logical system of steps you can follow. It's information about remodeling that will help you avoid the mistakes that other DIYers make. The only catch is this. Because this special discount offer is going away really soon, you want to order the book while you're on this page, before the countdown timer at the top of the screen goes to 0. So go ahead and do this right now while you're thinking about it. To find out a little bit more about my book, what it offers, how it's structured, and why it will benefit you, Simply click the button below and you'll get all the information you need to order the Survival Guide Kitchen Remodeling.